Hello guys, welcome to channel Vidya Nagari. I am Sreyosee with biology. You will find all the videos of biology in playlist Biology NCERT Tip of Tongue. If you are watching our videos on YouTube, to subscribe our channel. You will find us on Instagram and Facebook, so to follow us there. And I would like to thank you all for all of your love and support. Today I am going to describing about algae. Algae are nothing but one division of plant kingdom. These algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple, thalloid, autotrophic, and largely aquatic, and they can live in both marine water as well as in fresh water. So they are autotrophic, so they can synthesize their own food by themselves. Their other habitats are moist stone, soil, and woods. And some of them can live in association with fungi, and they are known as lichen. And some of them live in association with animals, like with an association with sloth bear. And their size varies from microscopic to large filamentous, so they can be microscopic, unicellular, like Chlamydomonas. They can be colonial, like volvox, filamentous, like Elothrix and Spirogyra. Two marine forms like kelps, they form massive plant bodies. Now, if we discuss about their reproduction, they reproduces by three methods: vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Their vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, and each fragment forms one thallus. Their asexual reproduction takes place by spore formation. These spores are known as zoospore. This is the most common type of spore, zoospore, and these zoospores are flagellated and motile. And their sexual reproduction take place mainly three types. One is isogamous, one is anisogamous, and other is oogamous. This is nothing but fusion of two gametes. In case of isogamous, there is fusion of similar size of gametes occur, and this there is this isogamous. In case of isogamous, the gamete is again two types. One is flagellated, like in Chlamydomonas, and non-flagellated, like in Spirogyra. And anisogamous is fusion of different size of gametes, as in Chlamydomonas, and oogamous is fusion of one large non-motile female gamete with one small motile male gamete. It is seen in case of volvox and fucus. This algae, they fixes 50% of total carbon dioxide on Earth, and this fixation is carried out by their photosynthesis, and they increase the level of dissolved oxygen on surrounding, and they in aquatic food cycle they are the primary producer of energy rich compound, and many species like Porphyra, Laminaria and Sargassum, they are used as food, and some produces large amounts of hydrocolloids, which is nothing but water holding substance like algae and kerosene, which are used now commercially, and Xylidium and Gracilaria produces agar. This agar is used in microbes culture and in preparation of ice cream and jelly. And some algae like Chlorella and Spirulina, they are rich in protein, so they can be used as food supplement even in space travelers also. And this algae is divided into 3 classes. These are Chlorophyceae, Pheophyceae and Rodophyceae. Now the first group is Chlorophyceae. They are commonly known as green algae. And they are unicellular, colonial or filamentous. They have chlorophyll A and B in definite chloroplast, and most have one or more storage bodies. Most have one or more storage bodies, and they are known as pyrenoids located in chloroplast, and these pyrenoids contain proteins beside starch. Some store food in the form of oil droplets, and they have rigid cell wall, which is made up of inner cellulose layer and outer pectose layer. And they also reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods, and some of the examples of Chlorophyceae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra and Cara. Second type is Pheophyceae. They are known as brown algae, and they are simple branched filamentous to profusely branched and may reach a height of 100 meters, and they possess chlorophyll A, C and carotenoids and xanthophylls. And they stored food as complex carbohydrates in the form of laminarin or mannitol, and they have cellulosic wall which covered by a gelatinous coating of algae, and they attached to the substratum by a holdfast. They has a stalk known as stipe and a leaf-like photosynthetic organ frond, and they also reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. And they are asexual method, they have biflagellate zoospores which is pear-shaped and two unequal laterally attached flagella is present. In case of sexual reproduction, they have gametes which is also biflagellate, pear-shaped and two unequal laterally attached flagella present. And some examples of Pheophyceae are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, Fucus, etc. And the last class is Rodophyceae. They are known as red algae due to presence of red pigment are phycoerythrin. Presence of red pigment are phycoerythrin. They mainly marine and can live both surface of water and depth of ocean, and they store their food as Floridan starch, which is similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. They also reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. In case of asexual methods, they have non-motile spore, and in case of sexual method, they have non-motile gametes. And some examples of Rodophyceae are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, Gelidium, etc.